Why do you forget words while speaking English? How to fix it. Hey there. Have you ever been in the middle of a conversation in English and suddenly your brain just freezes? You know the word. It's right there on the tip of your tongue. But poof, it's gone. Well, if that sounds like you, you're definitely not alone. In fact, this is one of the most common problems English learners face. Even fluent speakers forget words sometimes. But why does this happen? Is your brain playing games with you? Or is there something deeper going on? In today's video, we're diving into the real reasons why you forget words while speaking English, and more importantly, how to fix it. So grab a cup of tea or coffee, relax, and let's figure this out together. Part 1. Why you forget words. First of all, let's clear one thing up. Forgetting words doesn't mean you're bad at English. It means your brain is overloaded. That's it. Think of your brain like your phone. If you have too many apps open, it starts to slow down. Same with speaking English. When you're thinking about grammar, pronunciation, vocabulary, sentence structure, your mental RAM gets full. And what's the first thing your brain drops when it's overloaded? Vocabulary. Here's a fun fact. Even native speakers forget simple words like umbrella or microwave sometimes. One guy on Reddit said he once called an umbrella a rain stick because he forgot the real word. So, don't worry. It happens. But for English learners, there's a bit more going on. Part 2, the real reasons you blank out. 1. You're translating in your head. If you think in your native language and try to translate while speaking, it slows you down. Your brain is doing double the work. 2. You don't use the words often enough. You might know a word, but if you don't use it regularly, it disappears from your active vocabulary. It's like a dusty book on the shelf. Anxiety and nervousness. When you're nervous, your brain goes into fight or flight mode. It's not focused on finding the right word, it's focused on surviving. That's why your mind suddenly goes blank during job interviews or presentations. 4. You rely too much on passive learning. Watching videos or reading is great, but if you're not speaking out loud, your brain isn't building strong connections to recall words quickly. Sound familiar? The good news is every one of these issues can be fixed. Let me show you how. How to fix it. Tip 1. Speak more often than you study. Reading grammar books and doing exercises are useful, but if you don't speak, you won't train your brain to retrieve words quickly. Even talking to yourself in front of a mirror helps. Trust me, your mirror won't judge you. Tip 2. Use spaced repetition. Don't just learn a new word once and forget it. Review it the next day, then 3 days later, then a week later. This tricks your brain into storing it in long-term memory. Tip 3. Learn vocabulary in chunks, not individual words. For example, instead of memorizing the word recommend, learn the whole phrase, I'd recommend trying. This way, your brain recalls a full sentence, not just a single word. Tip 4. Relax. Seriously. When you're calm, words come faster. Try breathing slowly before speaking, or even smiling. It actually signals your brain to chill out and perform better. Science backs this up. Tip 5. Don't aim for perfection. Aim for connection. The goal of speaking English isn't to sound perfect. It's to connect, to share ideas, to be understood. If you forget a word, just describe it. The thing that keeps you dry when it rains? Umbrella. Boom! Communication achieved. So the next time you forget a word while speaking English, don't panic. Don't blame your memory. Just smile, take a breath, and keep going. The more you speak, the easier it gets. It's like going to the gym. Consistency builds fluency. And remember, forgetting is part of learning. Every time your brain struggles to remember a word, it actually strengthens that memory. Isn't that cool? If this video helped you, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe to the channel for more simple, practical English learning videos. Drop a comment below and tell me, what's one English word you always forget? Let's laugh and learn together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.